Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I love popcorn so much, but as we all know, the microwave stuff definitely isn't the healthiest. I've had a ton of different popcorn makers, and so many of them take so much extra work or don't pop all the kernels. But I finally found this Dash hot air popcorn maker, and it is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets now. This popcorn maker is so easy to use. All you have to do is measure the kernels with the provided cup and then pour them in. And then if you want to use butter, you can put it in the same little cup on top and it will melt it as your popcorn is popping. It's so satisfying to watch the popcorn come out, and it's so quick too. I can have super fresh, tasty popcorn with like no effort in about 5 minutes. It's awesome. This popcorn popper works amazing. It's the best one I've ever had, and I highly recommend it. If you're a popcorn lover like me, you definitely need to get it. And that's my point of view.